to attempt more questions in less time. Now see here, 55th. How many integers? SC is an integer. It is the square of an integer. S by 20 minus S. It is the square of an integer. When it will become an integer? 4 by 1. Now see here. 4 by 1. 4. It is an integer. 6 by 3. It is 2. It is an integer. That means numerator by denominator. For it to become an integer. Numerator should be greater than or equivalent to denominator, and denominator should be a factor of numerator. Denominator should be a factor of numerator. Please make a note. For a fraction, numerator by denominator. For a fraction, numerator by denominator to be an integer. What are the two conditions? Numerator should be greater than or equivalent to denominator, and denominator should be a factor of numerator. That means S will be greater than or equivalent to 20 minus S. That means 2SC is greater than or equivalent to 20. S will be greater than or equivalent to 10. S will be greater than or equivalent to 10. S equivalent to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 90. Are you all with me? Suppose if it is greater than, right, 20 minus 20 is 0. If it is 21, I will get negative. Negative means p square is always greater than or equivalent to 0. Square function is always greater than or equivalent to 0. That is the reason S greater than or equivalent to 20 minus S. So this will be 10 by 20 minus 10. 10 by 10. 1, it is an integer. It is right. 11 by 20 minus 11. No. 12 by 8. No. 13 by 20 minus 13. No. 14 by 6. 6 is not a factor of 15. No. 15 by 5. 3. Yes. Second case. 16 by 4. 4. Yes. 17 by 3. No. 18 by 2. 9. Yes. Yes. Right. 18 by 3. Next one. 19. 19 by 1. 19 it is yes. 19 it is a square of an integer? No. 19 is an integer. 19 it is an integer. That means this case we got, this case we got, this case we got. I hope the idea it is very much clear. This is one way to solve the question. One way to solve the question. There is another way to solve the question. S by 20 minus S is square of an integer. Tell me a square. 1 square it is 1. 2 square it is 4. 3 square it is 9. 4 square it is 16. 5 square it is 25. Let us see whether which is satisfying. S by 20 minus S is 1. S is 20 minus S. So S is 10. 10 by 10. S by 20 minus S is 4. S will be 80 minus 4S. 5S is 80. S is 16. Yes. S by 20 minus S is 9. I took the squares of an integer. 180 minus 9S. 10S is 180. S will be 18. Yes. S by 20 minus S. This will become 320. 17S is 320. It is not possible. This is also not possible. How many cases we got here? 1, 2, 3. How many cases we got here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I hope it is clear. This is not the case, sir, because 3 is not a square of an integer. This is one case, this is one case, and this is another case. See here, SC is 18, we got, SC is 16, we got, SC is 10, we got. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the concept it is very much clear.